A lot of times we see the patients who've been turned down by dentists already saying it's too late. They are saying, this is impossible, you're gonna be in dentures forever, or dentures are your only route. And I urge our patients to come in. I urge people to actually come and just give us a chance to tell you we actually can help you. We have some really amazing doctors in our network that can do some amazing things. And I am in awe every day just being able to work with these kind of doctors, to be able to provide this kind of hope, to be able to tell somebody when they've been turned down multiple times and saying, we can actually help you, and to see that sigh of relief from our patients is the best part of our day. We always have an option, and I think that's amazing when we can tell people that, because we are the specialists who deal with these kind of letdowns from all of our patients day to day, and it's amazing to be able to give somebody that amount of hope that we can actually help them.